that's a part of what the judge says. But Western Cape is one of the area when it comes to policing, prosecution, by the way, that has been problematic. I'm sure you'll hear one day that there is an inquest. There is an inquest in the death of Moses Tembe's daughter. Honorable member, police did the investigation and they believed that that daughter was murdered. They believed. They went time and again to the prosecutor for the things to be enrolled. They would say, go back, dot the I's and cross the T's. Until they said, if you can't do it, give us a certificate. I went to the president personally. I said, Mr. President, your Minister of Police is going to do something funny. Is going to support the private prosecution. And the prosecutor refused to give certificate. So he can't prosecute, he can't give certificate. So you're stuck in the middle. But now I know that inquest, the magistrate that is there now is asking the question, why this thing was not enrolled, because it's an obvious case. You should ask the prosecutor that did not enroll it in this Western Cape.
Chair,